Hello students, today we will learn about the mathematical chapter of CBSE book, that is rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q is a rational number. Now, among this P by Q, what is P and what is Q? P is named as numerator of the rational number and Q is named as denominator of the rational number. Now these P and Q, when combined together in the form of oblique, they form a rational number. How? Let us see an example. Suppose we have a numerator that is denoted by n is 3, a denominator is 4. Now what is the rational number? The rational number becomes numerator upon denominator, that is numerator is 3, so this is 3, this is 4, denominator is 4, so now our rational number becomes 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the rational number. A rational number can have the numerator in any integer value, that is we can have -1 as numerator, -2 as numerator, -3, -13, any integer can be our numerator. Similarly, the denominator of rational number can be any rational like this, it can be any positive or negative integer. When we write a negative number in numerator and a positive number as denominator, this becomes a rational number of nature negative, because there is only one negative sign. And suppose if we take in our rational number the numerator is negative, also the denominator is negative, then in that case the negative sign of numerator get cancelled with the negative sign of denominator, and finally the rational number becomes positive, like this. Now we will discuss about the standard form of rational number. A rational number with numerator suppose 3 and denominator 4, we will check that what is the common between these two, numerator and denominator, that is both are the multiple of 1 only. There is no other common number which can divide these numerator and denominator. So if these two numbers can only be divided by 1, then the rational number is in standard form. And suppose if we are taking a rational number, another rational number which is 4 by 8, then this number, the numerator can be divided by 2 and also the denominator can be divided by 2. So both the numbers are common in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s is 8. Another, once again we can cancel it, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So the rational number becomes 1 by 2, which cannot be further divided by any common number. The multiple of 1 is 1 and 1 2s are 2. Therefore the final rational number is 1 by 2, which is the standard form of 4 by 8. So likewise we can also check some other number, suppose 13 by 17, whether this number is in standard form or not. So 13 and 17 both are the numbers which have no common divisible number between them. So it is in standard form, is in standard form. Now let us see if we are having a number, suppose 15 by 18. We can clearly see that this rational number has the numerator and denominator which are the multiple of 3. So we can divide both with the table of 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. The finally what we get is 5 by 6, and 5 by 6 cannot be further divided by any common number. Only 1 is the common number that is common between these two denominator and numerator. So 5 by 6 is the standard form for the rational number 15 by 18. Now we will see some operations that can be performed on rational numbers, like the addition of two numbers. Like when we add two simple numbers, that is 3 by 4, the answer comes out to be 7. Likewise we can operate two rational numbers also. Suppose first rational number is 2 by 3 and another rational number is 4 by 5. Now we have to add these two rational numbers, so put the addition sign between these two numbers, and now we are going to solve it. To solve the two rational numbers, what we have to do is to take the LCM of denominators. The first denominator is 3, second denominator is 5. Take the LCM of these two numbers, divide the two numbers by a common number. There is no common number for these two numbers, so we will write 3 1s are 3 and 5 like this. Next 5 1s are 5, so the LCM is 3 into 5, the multiplication of these two numbers, that is 15. The LCM we will put it here. Now what we will do, we will divide the LCM by the denominator of first rational number. 15 divided by 5 comes out to be 15 divided by 3 comes out to be 5. So this 5, then we will multiply it by the numerator, that is 2. 5 2s are 10, and we will write it here 10. Then there is plus sign, so we will write plus sign. Again what we will do, we will divide this 15 by this 5. That is, let us see how we will do it. 15 divided by this denominator, 5 3s are 15. Now this 3 will be multiplied by the numerator, 3 4s are 12, so we will write here 12. Now what we will do, 10 plus 12, that is 22 upon 15. This is my addition of the two rational numbers 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. The answer is 22 by 15. Again the next operation is subtraction. Let us see how can we subtract two rational numbers. Suppose first rational number is 9 by 2 and the second rational number is 7 by 4. We have to subtract 7 by 4 from 9 by 2, so put the minus sign here. Now again what we will do, we will take the LCM of these two denominators, that is 2 and 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 will be, see here these two numbers are common and we can divide it by 2. So 2 1s are 2, comma 2 2s are 4. So here it has been completed, but 2 is remaining here. Again we will go further to find the LCM. So 2 1s are 2. Now finally it is completed and we are having 1 comma 1. we will do this process until we get last line of 1 comma 1. Suppose there are 3 numbers, then 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now the LCM of these two numbers is 2 into 2, that is 4. We will write it here. Now like last addition, we will divide this 4 by the denominator 2. Let us see how we will do it. 4 divided by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. Now this 2 will be multiplied by this numerator 9, it will be 18, and this 18 will be written here. Here we will take this minus sign. Now divide this 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Again this 1 will be multiplied by this numerator 7, it is 7. This 7 will be written here. Now what we will find? 18 minus 7, that is 11 by 4 is my answer of the subtraction of two rational numbers, 9 by 2 minus 7 by 4. Multiplication of two numbers is the next operation of rational numbers. Now multiplication is a little bit easy as compared to the addition and subtraction. Let us see. Suppose we are having first rational number 2 by 3 and another rational number is 4 by 5. Now these two rational numbers are to be multiplied with each other. Put the multiplication sign between them, and what we will do is multiply the numerator of first rational number by the numerator of second rational number, that is 2 multiplied by 4 will comes out to be 8. The denominator of first rational number will be multiplied by the denominator of second rational number, that is 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15 will comes out to be 8 here. Now this is our result. 8 by 15 is the multiplication of the two rational number 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5. Now we will go for our next operation on rational numbers, that is division of two rational numbers. This is a little bit tricky but much easier than addition and subtraction, and a little bit same as multiplication. See the operation. Suppose you are having a number 2 by 3, it has to be divided by another number 5 by 7. Now this cannot be this number cannot be divided by this number directly. So what we have to perform, we can rewrite this one as 2 by 3. In place of division we will write multiplication, and the multiplicative inverse of the second number will be written here. The multiplicative inverse of 5 by 7 is 7 by 5. Now this comes as equivalent to this, and here we have already learnt how to multiply the two numbers. Then we can easily make the numerator multiplied by numerator is 2 7s are 14, 3 5s are 15. So if we divide this number by this number, the result will be this number. 2 by 3 when divided by 5 by 7, the result will be 14 by 15.